show you this parcel from AliExpress. Oh, very nice box. I didn't expect it. It's a fairy light, and here is saying music and rainbow, and the spec is at the back in English and German. I don't know why it's German. And here is more information, and it's also Google and Alexa compatible. USB cable powered by USB. That's the reason I bought this, because I thought I can carry the light using a power bank. Okay, here are the LEDs. They are very small, and here is the controller with the power supply input, and this should be the infrared for the remote control. There's also a small piece of double-sided tape, maybe for the controller. The remote control is also included. That's all about it. And an instruction. Actually, I didn't expect that even in many languages. Okay, now it's connected to my power bank, and let's test the remote control. Yes, there's on-off button, green, blue, and try music. Hello, hello, yes, 2, hello, hello, hello. Is sound activated? Hello, yes. I think here is the microphone. Hello. It's quite nice. Whoa, yes. So, I've installed the app. It's called Popotan. Now I have to start it. And of course I have to agree that. Oops, now I need a login. So now I'm logged in and I'm on my home network. So let me add the device. As you can see, there are many different devices I can connect to, and I'm going to use the auto scan, and I have to press a button for 5 seconds on the controller. So it starts flashing. It's looking good. The button is disabled. I have to press access location, start scanning, and here I have to enable Bluetooth as well. Okay, it's found the device. Next, now I have to enter my password for my home network. Okay, the light is added successfully. Now it's done. Okay. Yes, changing color is fine. I have to tap on it. Okay. Music. Okay. Now what can I do here? Spectrum. Let me remove this. See. Okay. I think I have to spread out the light to test the effect. I've just tried to link my lights to my Google Assistant by following their instruction. Unfortunately, I didn't have luck. Now I'm going to the Google Home app and try it from there. Let's go to Assistant Settings and come down here, Devices, and add a device, link a device. Now let me search for Popotan. Yep. Let's have a look. Continue. Now I have to log in. Okay, now I have logged in successfully. Linking your Popotan smart device. Okay, now it seems linked already. Okay, now I've gone back to the home screen of my Google app, and you can see here there's a fairy light added. Let me turn it on. So you can see it's controlled by Google app. Now let me do voice control.
Hey Google.
Turn on the fairy light.
Sure, turning the fairy lights on. Hey Google.
Turn the fairy light to 90%.
Sure, setting the fairy light's brightness to 90%. Hey Google.
Turn the fairy light to red.
Sure, changing the fairy lights to red.
Okay, it works beautifully, but I don't think I can do anything with saying.
Hey Google.
Turn the fairy light to flash mode.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that. Here are other things you can try. Hey Google.
Turn off the fairy light.
Alright, turning off the fairy lights.
Okay, now I've spread out the lights on the floor, and I'm going to go through all the effects. You can find it under Scene, and let's go for the first one. And that's the second one. And come to the Christmas tree. I think the effect is the same on different category, but it's just the preview showing how would it look like on a Christmas tree, for example. Mainly the flashing and trace effect. But the light is quite nice. Okay, now this is, for example, you put it on your fence, and it's basically the same effect on different scenarios. If you put it behind your TV, okay, my verdict. The LEDs are pretty bright and the color are nice too. The only thing I don't like it's just like a spring. You can hang it like a wire, because this is just like the induction coil wire, and I'm sure it will break quickly if you bend it a few times, so it's not good for seasonal decoration. I don't think you can wrap around the Christmas tree, but this is good for stationary use, like put it behind the TV or a monitor. You can glue it there, and especially you already have a USB port on your TV or monitor. The other thing is I would like to do is, because it's 5 volt, and you can use a power bank and make it portable or wearable. You make a hat or something like that. Use a small power bank, but I don't think you can put this on your jacket. The wire is too hard. I will find a way to use it at the moment. I'm not too sure. I haven't expected the wire is that hard. So let me see what I can do with that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!